Okay, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to have analysis of Nifty 50. Right now, we're looking at the monthly chart, the weekly chart of Nifty 50. Right now, it seems to be going into a range. It has broken from this trend that was um, the uptrend that was going on, and it has broken down over here over this week. That was in August. So, what are the chances that you should be investing into this? Let's go over and see the day charts. What are the days actually telling us? Uh, one day, and let's see what it says. Okay, right now we are in some sort of a range over here, and there is quite a lot going on over here, and the buyers and sellers are right now in a tussle, but that was in August again. So that being said, right now we are looking at 4th of September. It's pretty much in the range right now. So whenever in the range, of course, you cannot actually take a risk in a range. In a range market, of course, things are just moving in a very slow lull position. And today's analysis will just be for one stock, and that is Bank Nifty, Nifty 50. And if we draw a pattern over here, okay, let's draw it again. So uh, this is the pattern that we are getting right now. And the signals are basically lying in this area. And it's very important that coming days, it has to actually break either the resistance or the support that we're looking at here right now. And looking ahead, let's expand this a little bit and see where it is going. It's just being in this range right now. It has broken this uptrend that it was going. Um, and the buying trend was actually compromised over here, where it uh, there was a breakout, and then there was a retest, a rebound, and then of course just went on to be a range in the coming days. Again, it should be going in the range until it actually breaks somewhere over here, and then we can expect it to actually come back. Let's look at an hour's strategy right now, 1 hour strategy, and what it should be. Again, it's actually in a pretty much tight position. If you look at it, let me expand the chart so it's a little bit clear. Okay, and things are still in this pink range, and you should actually stay away from this range thing, because this thing can actually be very dangerous for your investment. I mean, you can lose the investment, because if you look at this support level, if you tend to actually invest over here, and of course the charts are in range right now, the signals are in range. You shouldn't be stepping in this market at this moment. And this stock, of course, will take some time to mature. Okay, by maturity, I mean it should actually give you a breakout over here, okay, or a breakout over here, okay, for a sell position, for a short or a long position. So for the long, of course, it will break out from here, and it should stay over there and over the days period. If it actually breaks on a days chart, then of course, right now it's just showing a range, and you shouldn't be actually moving in this one. You should be just sitting back and relaxing and watching this market right now moving in its own mechanism, in its own direction. So wait for another like 2 3 days before, or for the end of this week, and Monday can be something positive. The next Tuesday can be positive, because right now it's just not. It's just very neutral right now. Okay. You just don't know where the market is going right now. It's whether it should go long or it should go short. But still, in this area, this is a danger zone. Ranges are very risky. But let's see how we can do scalping over 1 minute. Okay, scalping again, it's 15-minute game. Yeah, it's a 15-minute game or a 5-minute window that you can actually take uh, risk in, and that should actually not hurt if you're into scalping and if you know, even in scalping, the things are not moving as we want it to be. Okay, so right now, uh, look at it. Just look at it. Okay, let me just delete this and let's expand and see how is the market moving right now. It's still, yeah, in scalping, of course, there's a pattern happening right now. We can actually have a look at it. It's a 1 minute chart. We're looking at a 1 minute chart, and we can see, or we can actually make a prediction, but this is again not a financial advice. No, I'm not actually suggesting that. So let's see. Uh, Let me just draw some charts over here. Yeah, okay. And today, this is a day's chart. And if we draw some lines over here, it's a day's chart, okay? Okay. And this has been a downtrend. Yeah. For those who are actually into scalping, for them, of course, there can be some opportunities, but then again, you have to be really cautious in this area. As I told you, it's a range. It has given a breakout over here, which is good, which was happening at 8 in the morning. Yeah, 8 in the morning. Right. It gave a breakout, but then again, it's still actually in a range. This is the place where it can, where it can actually uh, be a little positive. Okay. And if you are actually looking to scalp, and Bank Nifty can actually give you some opportunity. Yeah, it is actually going up, but then again, give yourself a 10-minute window, not more than that. And you can see itself, either it can actually, most probably it will actually break this support and it will touch this place actually. Let me draw that. And that place is this one. Okay, that place is this one. And okay. For sure, it has given a breakout over here for the scalpers, but then again, um, there was a breakout, then it was a retest again. It has actually broken out. So there is a chance in this area that you can invest for like 10 minutes. That's it. Put in like $20, $25 and just come out and in within 10 minutes time frame. That's it for Bank Nifty. Thank you very much. That's all for today. We'll be back again with some more stocks. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, and we'll be back again. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.